I was in more pain the day I went in for surgery than I have been from the day after surgery till today. It was gone. Like, whole surgery, teeth all gone. I hurt less the next day than I did before I went in. So from 13, I had a root canal that got infected, and they had to pull the front teeth. So going through high school with no front teeth or fake teeth that I could take out and put back in. And then joined the Marine Corps. I got hurt in Afghanistan, and some of my teeth were knocked out. So they had to put in a permanent, more cemented type bridge in. And that just started to deteriorate over years. Just the pain alone in the mouth was enough to wear you out every day. But yeah, I mean, not being able to eat what you want, the problems I was having with my sinuses and acid reflux and all this other stuff, it was just, it played a big role. And it was a lot of pain for a long time. You don't realize how much your body is actually dealing with it, you know what I mean? So it takes a while, it takes a lot out of you. Everybody that I talked to, the other dentists, were, we can do it, but you're gonna be in pain for a long time. It's gonna be a 2-year process. It just seemed like there was no fix that would not involve being more pain and more embarrassed. I got to the point where I heard that so many times I gave up. Like I couldn't eat, my teeth were falling out. I was miserable. And I thought there was no help. My wife kept pushing me. Some of my best friends is actually one of his clients, and he kept telling me, go see my dentist, go see my dentist. And just sheer happened, my wife had ran across his number too, and I went, and he said, this is exactly, like, you're a perfect candidate. This is what it's for you. So relieving. To hear somebody actually say there's a chance and map it out for you versus like telling you a nightmare. Like, he made it so much easier. He's like, this is what it's for. People like you, and it was just such a relief. So I immediately felt healthier. I immediately wanted to start dieting and taking care of myself. So I dropped 70 pounds since I've gotten my teeth. Completely changed my life. So other than a beautiful smile, like, I smile all the time now, smile everywhere I go. They're happy for me, obviously my wife mostly, because she knows how much pain I was in for a long time. The kids, of course, they look at me a little bit different now. They don't see me as depressed and embarrassed about my smile. Big difference.